Hey, this is Kevin over at Rocky Mount Toyota, taking this quick video to give you guys a walk around of this beautiful 25 Toyota Tundra Platinum. This thing is super nice, brand new with the factory lift kit from Toyota, the TRD Lift kit. This thing is super duper nice. Let's talk about it. So as I said, this is the 25 Toyota Tundra. Absolutely beautiful in that silver exterior color. As I said, it does have that factory lift kit on it, which is very nice. Gives you a very nice upgraded turning radius on this vehicle here. You also have the all new Tow Plus mode. And let me tell you, when you put it in that Tow Plus mode, this thing puts down some power. This thing is super, super nice. You also get a couple good warranties with it. You do get a 4-year, 50,000 mile free oil changes and tire rotations, and a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty as well. I want to get you guys out here, take this bad boy for a test drive, and hopefully put it into one of your driveways. You can give me a call or come see us. My number is 252-343-7570. Or if you come in, just go to the front desk and ask for Kevin. I look forward to working with you all on this one, and I hope you're having a blessed day.